fast. How did you do it?
Oh, this. You'd have to watch the video.
And you look so beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, guys. So I don't know what to do with my hair. I had braids in. I washed it. But y'all, I gotta do something with my hair. And I don't know what to do. Yeah?
Babe.
Yep. What's up?
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm about to make a video.
About to make a video?
Yeah, you see that? Like I have the light and everything.
Oh, so I shouldn't be here?
No, you can. You know you can be in my. No, don't look at my hair like that.
Okay. All right, but I do have a question.
Yes.
I know you're in the middle of making a video and everything, and you know, but we've been in the house for a long time because it's coronavirus, you know. So I was just thinking that maybe I could cook us a nice romantic dinner.
Yeah.
The only thing is, because the food is almost ready, could you be finished in like 30 minutes?
You can, like, finish with my video?
Yeah.
What am I?
Like your hair, get your hair done.
Bruh.
Do some little small details, come back and whatever you do. So what are you going to do?
You said 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Dressed and hair.
What are your steps? What are you going to do?
Don't even worry. I got this. I know exactly the style I'm going to do.
All right. 30 minutes?
Yes.
I know
you actually gave me a good idea. I'm glad you asked me this. And we're having dinner. We're going to have dinner here. That's so sweet.
Downstairs. I got the...
Oh, we having a quarantine dinner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Quarantinus dinners. You ready? You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go. Fam Life Fun 3. 1, 2, 3. Fam Life. Okay, so I know the exact style I'm going to do because I don't have a lot of time. I'm going to go with the half up, half down curly wig style that you see right here. And I know y'all are going to love this one. So Mac is only giving me a little bit of time to actually get ready. So this is a perfect style for when you're in a rush or you don't have a bunch of, you don't have a whole lot of time to get your hair ready. Pretty easy style to do. I'm going to see how quickly I can do this. I think I can do it in 15 minutes. So let's see what I can do. As you see, I've already sectioned off parts of my hair that I'm going to be cornrowing down. These braids are just going to be straight down the back. I'm not doing anything fancy. So if you're a beginner in terms of braiding, this style is super easy. You don't need your braids to be very neat. Your parts don't have to be extremely neat. We're just going to cornrow straight down. And as I'm braiding, you can kind of see a little bit of the moisturizer in my hair. I'm using Carol's Daughter. I like to make sure that my hair stays moisturized when it's in different protective styles. So here's the Carol's Daughter product that I'm using right now called Cocoa Cream. All right, and so I'm just adding that to my hair as I braid these sections down. Once again, the braids don't have to be perfect. You do want to make sure you're nice and detangled though, because it's all about protecting your hair and keeping it nice and moisturized and tangle free while it's in this style. So as you see, I'm using the Carol's Daughter. I'm combing out my hair, which is already stretched. And now I'm going ahead and braiding the last braid. In total, I'm going to have 4 braids in the back. So nice and easy and quick. As you can see, when I just turned around, my parts are not perfect, but they're good enough. Good enough for this. I was actually proud of this, not being able to really see what I was doing. So then you want to put a stocking cap on over those braids because that is where the wig is going to be placed. And now I'm just adding some more moisture to my hair using water out of my spray bottle and a little bit more of the Carol's Daughter. And I have it nice and combed out here. And now I'm just going to add a little pizzazz to this style. So right here you see me parting my hair. Can you guess what I'm going to be doing? If you guessed a few cornrows right here, real small braids, then you are correct. This is just going to add a little touch, something different to this style. So hopefully you like this step. Definitely give it a try and let me know what you think. Make sure you comment below, by the way. So if you're trying this out and you're kind of doing this along with me, be sure to comment. Let me know how it's working for you. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. All right, so now I'm just going to tie these parts to the side so that I can braid my hair with no problem. I'm using jam just to slick down everything, the edge and the beginning of the braid, and just to make sure these two braids look really good. All right, so now it's time to put my hair up into the buns. So as you see right here, I was actually going to go with one bun at the top, but after doing those braids down the center, I realized it would look way better with two buns. If you want to do one bun at the top, and you still want cornrows, I would do the braids coming down to the front, like next to my ears, like right above the ears. You can do the two braids coming down. So you can definitely try that. If you do it that way, feel free to let me know and tell me how that worked for you. All right, so again, I put some jam on my edges, just slicking everything down. I'm using these hair ties that don't have any metal bands on them. I think these are much safer on your hair than rubber bands or anything with metal. So I was sure to use these, but anything that you prefer is fine. I'm definitely trying to work on protecting my hair. So again, adding some moisture, brushing everything out. I already have jam on my edges. It's already starting to look kind of cute. This is definitely reminding me of when I was a kid. This is how my mom would do my hair. Not with the braids in the center though, just the two puffs. So let me know if you guys used to wear that style. I'm pretty sure you did. All right, so again, you see me adding moisture. This is just something I think that's so important. When you take down any style, you don't want your hair to look like, oh my God, I can't believe you had me in this style so long. No, you want it to look like, you know what? I've been resting. I've been, taking in that moisturizer. I'm good. All right, so here I'm separating the ponytail into two parts, twisting it together, and then wrapping it around into a bun. And then I just use a bobby pin to keep that tied in. All right, it's wig time. It's wig time. We are so close to being done. This is a wig that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. It was really inexpensive. I want to say it was maybe $30 or $40. You can probably find them cheaper. It just kind of depends on the length that you're looking for and the quality. This is the lace front, and I'm not cutting the lace off right now because I am in a rush because Mac really is cooking dinner. So I'm actually just folding the lace over. Feel free to cut the lace off though. And I'm using the clips to clip it in right behind my part. You want your part to still show because it looks so much more natural when you do it that way. So once again, I'm clipping it on right behind my part. So watch me try to do it slowly for you and just tuck that right in. And now the last clip that comes on the back of the wig, I'm just going to clip that right under in the back. So now at the top, you see it's a little loose right up top, but I am going to put bobby pins. All right, and I'll do that step a little later. But yes, I'm feeling this. It already looks good. Now I'm just taking a section of the wig and I'm going to wrap it around the bun that I've already created. Now you can do this in different ways. I'll show you another way on the other side. So this one, I just twist it right around. And here I am going to use just some small rubber bands because it's not really putting tension on my hair. This is on the wig hair. So I put the hair, wrapped it right around, and it made a cute bun. And on this side, I'll show you, again, you can wrap it right around. Or I'm going to split the hair in 2 pieces. And then I'll take one and go in one direction and take the other in the other direction and still wrap around. I actually like the way this one came out a little better, but as you can see, it's not as neat, but I do like it. All right, and then I'm just gonna put the rubber band on top of that one. And of course, you can use bobby pins during this step to make sure everything is really secure, but the rubber bands is good enough for me. It looks natural. You know, the hair is curly and it's just kind of doing its own thing, and I like that. All right, so make sure, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you comment, let me know what you think of this style. But we're not done yet. Don't go anywhere, we're not done. All right, so now I'm just adding some gold clips, which you can do if you choose to. In this step, I'm actually not going to keep the gold clips in. I just want to show you what it would look like if you want to add some accessories to your hair. It is really cute. So I'm just adding these in right now. So take a look. I know they're uneven. I'm about to get it straight. Don't worry. Okay, and that's what it looks like with the clips in. I like that, but I just have a thing. I know I'm being extra right now, but the gold clips just didn't look right with my necklace because it's like a rose gold, and I just wasn't feeling it. So I took those out. All right, and so of course you want to make sure your edges are on fleek. So let's go ahead and slick those edges down. Once again, I'm using some jam. All right. And I'm using my edge brush that I also got from the beauty supply store. I think it was only $1 or maybe $2. I love this. It's just like using the toothbrush that a lot of girls use on their edges, but I just love that this one is made for my edges on my hair. So, but anyway, it works really well. And then I'm just gonna put one of these, I think they're called rapids, but just put a wrap on my hair, just to let my edges dry and stay in place. I don't like my edges looking super stiff or anything, and so the jam really works well for that. And then putting one of these on, I'm not going to take a dryer and do that for this particular video, but once again, you can, you know, whatever your preference is. But for me, I just wrapped it for a few minutes. I'm adding my bobby pins. So this step right here, it's important depending on how long you want to wear this style, where you're going. You know, I'm just having dinner in my own house, but I'm just going to go ahead and secure it just to be sure. But if you're going out, you definitely want to add some extra bobby pins because the 3 clips just might not be enough. More than likely, it'll stay on, but you don't want any parts of it lifting. All right, so I'm removing the wrap, and OMG, I love this. I'm not going to show out yet, though. I'm not going to show out yet. All right, so I'm just going to add a little bit of lip color, you know, so I can look good. Okay, I'm looking at myself. I'm loving it. I love this. Oh, gosh, look how bouncy it is. And this wig, once again, not expensive at all. And look at that bounce. Now, if you want to use a human hair wig, that's fine, so it can last longer. I'm not going to keep this style in for too long, though. Hey, because I don't want to have my hair pinned up. Let me know if you love it, guys. Here comes Max.
Oh, wow. You got it ready really fast. How'd you do it?
Oh, this. You'd have to watch the video.
And you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You ready to go?
But you're not dressed.
Oh, I can go do a time lapse and I'll be ready in 5 minutes.
Well, how do you get dressed so fast?
You gotta watch the video.
Let's go. What'd you cook? All right, fam. I just want to say thank you so much for joining me on this process. I believe it was a success. I'm all dressed and ready to go to dinner. But make sure if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and turn those notifications on so you can keep up with the fam. Bye.